Hi and welcome to another Talking Head video today. I know it is a holiday for most people, so I want to first start off this video by just saying happy holidays from myself, Jacked Programmer, to every single one of you guys and girls. And I just want to say that I thank every single one of you. We're going on 3 years for the channel now. We're almost at 9,000 subscribers, which is just absolutely incredible. I know I thank you guys every single time on these talking head videos, but I still just can't really believe it. I honestly didn't think that I'd get past 100. So the fact that we're almost at 9,000 is absolutely incredible. Now, I want to talk about a lot of the things that we're going to be doing in 2024 because in the last 3 years, we've done a lot of videos with PowerShell, and I definitely want to keep going with the PowerShell videos. But I also want to get your input now in 2023 to see what kind of videos that you would like to see in 2024. Maybe specific modules, maybe a specific project using PowerShell, maybe some other languages that you guys would actually like to see on the channel. I'm open to anything that you guys would really like to suggest, um, or anything like that as well. But also in the bigger news that I would like to release actually is starting this Saturday. So this Saturday will be, um, where I am anyways, will be the 30th of December. I will actually do a live stream on YouTube, and I plan to keep these live stream going on Saturdays. This Saturday, I'll start at about 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hopefully, YouTube sends the notifications. I know if you have notifications turned on, it'll let you know that I'm going live. That will really be my test run of doing a live stream on YouTube. I've tried doing Twitch at times. But because most of my content is definitely already on YouTube, I feel like just giving back to you guys, giving back to the community, is going to be the way to go. So what I want these live streams to be is sometimes there will be coding live streams on Saturdays, but I kind of want to treat it as a Saturday for everyone. So I know like myself, I like to really just kind of relax, play some video games. So that's kind of what I want to do on the live stream on Saturdays. Now, sometimes I do actually enjoy coding as well on weekends and making some systems that I just want to bring up and like test and play around. I often do that as well with Raspberry Pis or with some laptops lying around the house and just kind of bring up a server and mess around with it. But I really want these to be games. Like maybe we can play some single player games. So very just streaming a game. You guys watch, we can interact. You guys can ask me any type of questions during that time as well. Even if they are coding questions and we're playing games, I'll try to answer to my best of my ability, depending on the question, of course. We can even play games like Mario Party or racing games where we can actually set up a community, maybe set up a Discord server if you guys are interested in that as well. Just get that community started so we can share ideas just between viewers because a lot of you guys have great ideas. I see it in the comments, I see it in the emails that you guys send me. So I really kind of want to get that going and get Discord going or get some community games going, get you guys interacting. I would love to interact with you guys a bit more. That's why I'm trying to do these live streams. We're gonna start them on Saturdays, like I said. Maybe eventually we can add them to more days during the week. Most likely nighttime, since I do work full time as well. So it would probably be limited to Saturdays and then maybe 1 or 2 weeknights a week. But we'll start off with Saturdays, see how they go. This one is going to start at 1 p.m. this Saturday. I'll announce it on the live stream and post it on the channel when the regular scheduled time would be. It'll probably be around 11 a.m. or 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time going forward as well for a few hours. And maybe we can always add to that depending on how they go. But also, like, what would you guys like to see on these live streams? Would you guys be more of a fan of seeing more coding based solutions like the videos I release on Mondays? Or would you guys like to see like gaming content and other style content, maybe even like reviewing some different technologies? or like what games would you guys like to see me play? I'm personally a big fan of Souls games, Souls likes, RPGs, shooters, and just I'm honestly a fan of pretty much almost any game. So if you guys have suggestions for games that you guys want to see me play on the live stream, let me know in the comments down as well. I'm super excited for this year to see where the channel goes and see what kind of things we can build with the Monday release videos. See how we can help you guys at your work or in your home labs and automate a bunch of things for you guys. So once again, happy holidays to everyone and a happy new year. There will be a regular video, most likely getting released next week. It might be another talking head video just going over the live stream as well. But I do have the continuation of that PS Write HTML. Those videos are coming. We are adding more to that dashboard as well. So if you guys were into those videos that have just started coming out, there are a few more of those videos still lined up for the new year as well. If you guys have any other ideas that I haven't even mentioned on this video or asked for in this video, let me know in the comments section down below as well. If you guys want to know me a little bit more, that would also be kind of cool to make those types of videos. Just let me know if you guys actually want to see that or not. And again, thank you guys, every single one of you, for getting us here at almost 9,000 subscribers. And once again, happy holidays. I hope you enjoyed your 2023 and hopefully 2024 will be even better. And if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button, click that like button. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell to be notified when that next video comes out and also when I go live on Saturday. I will see you guys on the live stream or on the next video.